E-labour market analysing the existing labour market for dynamic creation of new jobs based on social networks. The high flexibility in the labour market is one of the main consequences of the economic and social changes which have happened in the last 10 years. As a consequence of this transformation, new models of employment are appearing and the traditional business relationship, one by one, between employers and employees has changed. The companies and workers using internet as channel for the recruitment of the employees or to find a job has been increasing in the United States and Europe. The advantage of the virtual context are a reduction in costs and timing and the opportunities to communicate with a greater number of people offering and searching employment. The use of internet and social networking has become preferential channel to communications and relationships between employees and employers. New channel and new market. Professional community. Using the professional community, someone who is searching for a job should upload the CV on a database created by some of the most popular browsers such as Yahoo, Google, Bing, etc., or web platforms created by companies, agencies or organisations specialising in recruitment and intermediation in the labour market. The communication with information technologies has created the basis for social media networking, in particular has introduced the concept of sharing common interests and needs, the individuality expressed through the dialectic relationship with other people, content-orientated social media based on common interests, the creation of wide relationship networks, the web reputation. Web 2 is a technology shifting the web to turn it into a participatory platform in which people not only consume content via downloading, but also contribute to producing new content via uploading. Web 2 technology is successfully used to exchange information and files for video conferences and other ways of real-time communication. As a consequence, any teamwork can operate from different places and countries, sharing contents, reducing logistical costs and timing, and creating new business models. The new ecosystem of business communication should represent a company social network based on World Wide Web and company internet network. The enterprise social networking focuses on the use of online social networks or social relations among people who share business interests and/or activities. Enterprise or company social networking is often a facility of company social software regarded as a primary component of Enterprise 2, which is essentially the social software used in enterprise contexts. It includes modifications to corporate intranets and other classical software platforms used by multinationals to organize their communication and collaboration, and other aspects of their intranets. Due to the global economic crisis started in 2007 in Europe, the rate of permanent work contracts have decreased. The labour market needs more flexibility through structural reforms, and as a consequence, self-employed workers are increasing and the social networks are the main resource for their link with the labour markets. Internet-based business models ask for a new and updated company strategies. It represents the real opportunities to develop and enhance the business companies, have the opportunities to adopt the web as a strategic lever in order to incite the innovation and the development of entrepreneurial initiatives. Through e-business companies are being able to manage their processes through a web-orientated model. This model is based on e-recruitment, acquisition of new professional resources, e-procurement supplier management, making easier internal communications with shared resources and online participation, developing customer relationships, expanding market businesses, and tracking income and informations. The launch and increase of websites for job research have decreased obstacles to enter the labour market. The most important positive consequences could be resumed as the following: abolition of space and time barriers, very low costs, velocity and speed, information available to everyone, and reachability.